Hey there, so today I'll be showing you how to create this look. This is what I do every morning. Not every morning, but most of my work days. And it's very easy. You can do it. You don't really need a lot of tools. Use your fingers. It's the best tool that you can use with makeup products. So if you would love to know how I did my makeup, just keep on watching. Hey there, so the first thing I do is I would put on a hand sanitizer, and this one is Honest hand sanitizer. It's my favorite. It's the spray one. I like to put sanitizer first on my hands because I don't want any germs to go in my face. And then after that, just put on my Disco skincare. Just trying to hydrate my face and just let it dry. And then from there, I am going to do my eyebrows, and I am going to use the Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal. Really good. This is what I use all the time, and it defines my brows and it lines it so well. So let's see. So now this is just a mirror, so I can see what I'm doing here. I don't really start with a tip because it's the hardest part for me to do, so I like to start the hard part first. So now I have a tip. Just line it. Oh, the baby's awake. Why is she awake? My heart is crying, so get her real quick. Mommy's taking video right now. Can you stay on the couch by yourself? Give Mom about 5 minutes and I'll be done. Is that okay with you? You okay now? No? Just woke up. Okay, it's okay. You see the baby in the camera? Hi. Hi, baby. Oh. Ooh. Can I do my makeup? You wanna play with that? Can I put you down? Oh, look, trees. It's a tree. So I don't really make this front part really dark. Doesn't make it look natural when it's, when it's dark. Okay, I've tried everything I can with this brow here. It just doesn't want to cooperate today, guys. Yaya, did you throw it on the ground again? Why would you do that? Babies tend to do that. I have no idea why. It's like they're experimenting, trying to see what I'm gonna do next. Here we have the Bowing Benefit. It's for my under eyes. Hold on, so I just take a little bit and then put it under my eyes. Just kind of dab it. You don't have to use like very heavy hand, just very light, tapping it very lightly, because this part of your face is really thin, like the skin around or under your eyes are really thin, or actually like around your eyes are very thin, so you don't want to use like heavy tapping motion, or you don't want to like what do you call it, drag. Soft tapping motion, and then around my nose area, because I have redness here too, especially in this corner by the nostrils. I don't know why I have that. And then my cheek. Okay, so that's it. That's done. And now we're going to use our tinted moisturizer. So this is the Laura Mercier. This is what I've been using for the past 6 years. And it's very light, so it's really good for that natural look, you know, and it's moisturizer, so it's not too bad for your skin. So it's just really like a light tint, so I just dab it. I put dots all over my face, and I just use my fingers to basically go over them, and then yeah. Okay, and then kind of just spread it all over the face. I like to use like down strokes with my hands, kind of make it like flawless looking, you know. And then here, just like cross and down and cross. You want to try to go in the direction where your hair grows, because that's gonna give it that airbrush look. Hi, Yaya. Hi. I'll put a little bit in my neck. Yes. So my face is done, my eyebrows done. All I need to do is my cheeks. I like to use cream blush because it lasts longer on your face. Well, on my face it does, especially in so you see how it's such a nice color, and all you do is basically just like blend it with your fingers. I like to put it up here, not too close to my nose area, because if I do put that in there, it's gonna make my face a lot bigger. I already have bigger cheeks. I have bigger cheekbones, or high cheekbones, so see here, and then, you know, just blend it. She's talking. You see yourself? You see? That's what you're doing. Okay, so I'm almost done. Almost done. Let's put it right here. And then I do have to use some type of powder to set my concealer, because if I don't set it, it's not gonna like be good. So I'm gonna use my beauty sponge, and then I'm gonna use this translucent powder by Physicians Formula. Let's go all over it. Are you playing behind me? I can see you through the camera. Okay. And then the last thing, of course, is lips. And we're good. The lips really changes the whole look. Like, it just changes it for the better. Okay, so that's done. Actually, I'm gonna try to just put it on my forehead, because my T-zone area gets a little oily. I have dry and then gets oily in my T-zone, so combination skin. So dry to combination. That's my skin That's my skin profile. Okay. Why are you throwing everything on the ground? You're throwing my keys on the floorsies? Okay, so this is a NYX lingerie in the color Exotic. I really like this color. It's just a little, no, not a little bit, you know, not so much tint. And then I normally put on the first application in the middle of my lip, and then just kind of drag it down. So when you get to the bottom, like the outline of your lips is not like heavy to where it gets harder to blend. It's so nice outside and like looking. I'm using natural lighting. Natural lighting is the best ever. And I can see the trees just like dancing with the wind. And of course I have my meditation music on. I always put on every morning because it just keeps me in a positive place. It's just instrumental. What are you saying, Yaya? You want to say hi to the camera, babe? She just woke up from her nap too. I can see you. You're being such a Krabby Patty. And then we're gonna go out to get my oil changed on. My car's already telling me service or something. Service soon. Okay. Ooh, did I do that right? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. I like to mimic her. Whatever she said. I mimic it. Adette! What is going on there? Yeah, I see you. I see you. I see you coming for mommy. Okay. Okay, I should be done. Oh my god, I think I messed up. Really, Jeanette? Why would you do that to yourself? Stop talking. Oh my god, I did it again. Okay, I think that's better. For some reason, like my hand just lost control of itself. I don't know what happened. This one I use. It's an all-nighter. It's Urban Decay all-nighter. It keeps the makeup last all day long. Spray like 3 times. 4. I'm in 4. And I think we're done. We're done, guys. That's it.
So here is our final look.